everyone! We are making Rizbi Halib. It's a Lebanese sweet. So, ito na yun siya. So, ano siya eh? 8 cups of water and 6 to 7 spoon powder milk. Yan. So, nilagyan natin siya ng Egyptian rice. Yan. So, after, lagyan natin ng 1 and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Yan. Ito yung procedure niya. So, I put 12 cups of water, but 8 cups only I put it of water. And then I use that medium size of pan. Okay. And then, nag-add ako ng 6 to 7 serving spoon na milk. And then, after that, minix ko siya kanina. Tapos, nag-add ako ng coffee cup of Egyptian rice. So, ito yun siya, Egyptian rice. Yung Egyptian rice, ito yung mga maliliit. Yung siya ba, short rice. And then, after that, i-mix ko siya for 2 hours. Yan. For 2 hours siya, i-mix natin. After 2 hours, mag-add tayo ng 1 and 1/4 cup sugar. Then, i-mix pa rin natin siya. Then, after, mag-add tayo ng 1/4 cup na rose water. Rose water. And then, i-ano natin siya ng 15 minutes. Then, after that, pakita ko sa inyo yung rose water. Ayan guys. Yan ang rose water. Yan mama. And then, after that one, mix natin ng 15 minutes again. And then after, ano na natin siya sa bowl na mga maliliit. Then after 2 hours, become cold siya. Lagay natin siya sa fridge. So ito yung ginawa ko is 8 liquid milk, 8 cups of liquid milk, 1/2 cup of rice, and 1 sugar. Yes. Yan yung recipe natin. Yung rose water. So, malapit-lapit na siya. So, guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the notification below. And this is Pobreng Vlogger ng Sa'yo. And good night, and everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice night. Yahoo! Thank you for the subscribe. God bless everyone.